So eBay in 2020, I found, as a seller, has gotten progressively more and more crap. Recently, around the end of the financial year, they've implemented all business sellers or sellers that have a tax file number associated with their account to have their bank details linked to their eBay directly. So let's say you make a sale on eBay, it will then go to your PayPal, and then eBay, either on a nightly, weekly, or whatever designated time frame basis, it will then deposit the money from your PayPal into the nominated bank account. Now, all that I'm assuming is for taxation reasons, purely so the ATO can then see what people have sold. That's all fair enough, but I'm happy to manually transfer it out of my PayPal. I do put the sales into my Xero accounting software, so it should be all there. That doesn't really concern me too much. The thing that's been annoying me more and more is the requirements for certain criteria to be entered on your ads to then be able to sell on eBay. So for example, I'll go here. This is for my personal eBay account, or for my business one, sorry. And if we go down here, I got to fill in more details. Listings missing required, or soon to be required item specifics for these categories. Computer components, mobile phone parts, video games, computer cables and connectors, replacement parts and tools. So if we scroll down a bit further, these are my top listings with missing items. So for example, I've got Pokemon Heart Gold and Pokemon Soul Silver. Missing game name, UPC. Now if we look up what UPC is, I've had a mental blank. Universal Product Code. Why the hell do I need to put the Universal Product Code on a second-hand game on eBay? To me, that is absolutely ludicrous. The other thing, Lenovo Yoga 3 14-inch replacement spare parts. Missing compatible brand and the brand of it. Well, being it's come from a salvaged Lenovo, it's probably a Lenovo. Then under parts and tools, PS4 HDMI port socket. Missing item, type. If people cannot figure out what the hell I'm selling because of that, there's something wrong. Why do I need to put a type there? It's a replacement jack. I'm assuming the seller is smart enough to know that, but this is the eBay's behind the scenes listings, or how they're figuring out what people want to buy or need to buy. So this is all to help eBay's back end. I don't see this being anything that helps the consumer. If someone put in, here we go, a HP Envy HP Envy 13, the model number AD156TU, replacement. It's going to come up with my ad. It doesn't need compatibility in brand and type on there. So I see this as eBay's way to try and compete with probably Amazon. Especially even the tempered glass. I've had it that I cannot actually edit this listing at the moment because I'm missing the universal product code for my tempered glass. So it's absolutely stupid what eBay is doing right now. Like as a seller, it's creating more hindrance. The other dilemma that I get is let's say I've put in this power supply here, HP ProDesk 400, 600, 800 compatible or power supply. So it's a small power supply. Typically all my listings have free shipping listed on there. Except if I enter a new item and I put free shipping, I go to the post office, I buy a post bag. To put it in a prepaid bag, it fits it, it's done. When I go to list the item on eBay, it will demand to know the specific measurements and weight of the device, so then eBay can quote me on how much a post bag's going to be, even if I don't want that post bag. So they're wanting the customer or the seller to fill in the blanks of their system in the background. which I'm finding this just to be more and more stupid, and it's almost making me want to either not sell on eBay and just go to something like Gumtree, or especially with the secondhand computer gear, maybe not so much with the tempered glass and the replacement ports and jacks, but they just keep stuffing us around. So 2020 eBay, I definitely give it about a 3 out of 10 as a seller. There's very few positives I've been liking with it at the moment. So yeah, I think eBay really needs to sort their shit out and stop trying to compete against Amazon, especially when they started as a second-hand store or to sell second-hand items. Why do you need to type in brand on tempered glass? Like, Christ's sake, get their gear together. Anyway, that's my rant for today. I'll see you guys, probably not on eBay. Bye.